So to take out the plugs for a Honda Civic, it uses a 10 mm bolt, 10 mm, this size, which are in these sections. So you take it out, then you unpin this by unhook it this by pressing this down at this area, pressing it down, then pulling it out. Then you have access to this. So that's the plug. But the reason why I open this is because I want to clean the plugs. They are good plugs, but I just want to clean them and put them back. Yeah, it's original. So, and the size for taking this out is 16 sockets. Yeah, 16. I use this with this extension and the wrench to open it. So I'll go ahead to clean it with the wire brush, then insert it back. So this was the look before, and these are the ones I've cleaned already after using this wire brush.